DeWALT has four new tool accessories that they're bringing to the marketplace. We're going to start with these two. I feel that they're very interesting. DeWALT says, transforming the trades, DeWALT introduces the Impact Connect system, a revolutionary new line of attachments to perform jobs fast with less effort. And along with that statement and what they're saying comes a question in itself. But I'm going to tell you a little bit more about these. It says DeWALT unveils Impact Connect copper pipe and PVC PEX pipe cutter attachments that quickly convert, this is the important part, quickly convert select impact drivers into fast, powerful cutting tools. DeWALT, a Stanley Black Decker brand and leader in total job site solutions, today announced the DeWALT Impact Connect system, a new line of attachments to quickly convert select impact drivers into fast cutting tools. Now, here's the thing. There is in the description below, I have kind of a description that talks about these two attachments. And then to help everybody that's watching this, there's a list of the compatible impact drivers. They're not necessarily all DeWALT. You don't need to be on the DeWALT platform to use these DeWALT tool accessories. Pretty cool. It goes on to say, designed to improve user productivity and provide unmatched value, the DeWALT Impact Connect system is rolling out with two attachments, a copper pipe cutter attachment and a PVC PEX pipe cutter attachment that quickly attach to select DeWALT 20-volt max and other pro-grade 18-volt impact drivers, turning them into powerful cutting tools. The DeWALT Impact Connect line is a revolutionary new addition to the wide range of tools and accessories tradespeople typically reach for on the job site, said Doug Redpath, president of Hand Tools and Accessories and Storage at Stanley Black Decker. Instead of purchasing, this is important, instead of purchasing separate dedicated pipe cutter tools, Impact Connect attachments leverage the power of users' current impact drivers to perform the job quickly with less cutting effort. It says the DeWALT Impact Connect copper pipe cutter attachment and PVC pipe cutter attachment are the first offerings within the DeWALT platform and are ideal for pipe fitting, plumbing, HVAC, and home renovation. Designed to boost user productivity, the attachments require 100 times less cutting effort than a manual cutter. With the quick change brace system, the attachments are connected in seconds, allowing seamless conversion from pipe cutting tools to a traditional impact driver. But a lot of you were saying it doesn't make sense to buy these attachments when you could buy a dedicated tool for a little bit more money. And a little bit more money is always a relative statement, right? Here's the thing. If you are fitting copper and PVC and PEX or whatever it may be, day in and day out, and it makes sense to buy a dedicated tool, then you should do that, okay? You should do that. The reality is, though, if you are a one-man gang, okay, and you are a handyman, or you're maybe even do home renovation, and you don't always, you're not a plumber, and these accessories could benefit you by saving you some time, then maybe you should invest in them. Now, people will say there's no good way to use these. I'm cutting my pipe, where's my impact driver to fasten it into place? You'd do all of your fitting first. You'd make all of your cuts first. You'd leave, and this is how you'd be most efficient. You're not going to want to switch back and forth. You're going to want to make all of your PEX cuts first. Then you take your attachment off, you get your hangers or whatever it may be, and then you'd fit your pipe all at one time. You set all your hangers, you'd be done with your PVC installation. Then you'd move into fitting your copper. You'd fit your copper cutting attachment or accessory onto your tool, your impact driver. You'd make all of your cuts in copper. You do all your dry fitting. You then take off your copper cutting attachment, and you'd go back to using your impact to put your hangers in place or your straps or whatever it may be. But this is the thing, knocking out all of those cuts at one time with with your accessory is going to speed you up anyway. You don't want to be switching back and forth. So that would be the first. This is how I really feel about it. You'd have to use it in that manner for it to make sense. Number one. Number two, if you are a plumber and you're doing a tremendous amount of this work, yeah, I agree with you. You're going to want to buy a dedicated tool. You're not going to want to have an accessory. You're not going to want to. So yes and yes. There is a place for the accessories. Yes, there's a place for dedicated tools. But here's the thing. We're looking at, it says DeWALT launches Flex Torque Square Drive Modular Right Angle Attachments. Redefine accessibility with new Flex Torque Square Drive Modular Right Angle Attachments. Available in either 1/4 inch or the 3/8 of an inch square drives. It says the sockets seamlessly attach, eliminating the need for additional socket adapters. The forged gears withstand tough applications and provide up to 10 times longer life, while the 2-in-1 design allows users to quickly switch between standard and ultra-compact attachments. It also goes on to say, it says part of the Flex Torque Modular Right Angle System, you can now command even tight spaces. Available DeWalt products are sold. And it says DeWalt Flex Torque Right Angle Compact Head Attachment has 10 times longer life versus Milwaukee's Right Angle Attachment 48-32-2100 on average, using DeWalt's Impact Driver 887. And I will say this, some people that are like, oh, you could just get a right angle drill. These right angle attachments, if you've been in tight quarters, you will know these right angle attachments will get you in tight spots that you cannot get into a lot of times with right angle drills. So they are an asset to have. My question is, do my automotive technicians and mechanics, are you using these? And did you ask for these attachments? I really want to know. I'm interested. I want to know. And here's the thing. I think that there is these attachments are so inexpensive. They just make sense, 100% sense for everybody, because these have gotten me out of jams totally in a lot of instances. But you can see right here, are my automotive mechanics, are you using these in those capacities? I want to know. You can see they have it here demonstrated. And would you use it that way? And here's the thing, why not just use it straight on at that point? I know they're using it for demonstration purposes. It almost looks like they're taking out like part of a skid plate. I don't know. It's tough to call, but I want to know. And remember, all the information, everything is in the description for you to attach these. First of all, the attachments, these right angle automotive attachments or square drive attachments, they should be, you can use them with any impact driver or drill driver for that matter, number one. The list for the tubing cutters, the full attachment, the full impact driver list is in the description. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here, hanging out, looking over these new attachments from DeWalt. Leave it down in the comment section below. What do you think? What is the most interesting to you? I gotta tell you, I like the pipe cutters, to be honest with you. Really find them interesting, but we want to know down below which one you find the most interesting and which way you find it could help you in your job.